Some nights the silence gets so loud, feels like the whole world disappeared somehow. And it's just me, crying in the dark. Oh, I'm crying in the dark. Lights off, room cold, shadows on the wall, fighting with my memories every time they call. Got a smile for the daytime, pain for the night. Everybody sees the surface, never sees the fight. Broken conversations still echo in my head. Words I should've said, tears I should've shed. Kept my feelings buried, tried to play it tough, but carrying this weight is finally getting rough. Every scar got a story, every wound got a name. Every dream that I lost still reminds me of the pain. Looking at the ceiling while the hours slowly pass, trying to hold together pieces of my shattered past. And I don't know where to run when the darkness comes undone. All these thoughts I can't ignore, knocking on my broken door. I'm crying in the dark when nobody can see, trying to hide the hurt that's living inside me. The tears keep falling down like rain from the sky, asking God for answers, wondering why. I'm crying in the dark, fighting every scar, searching for a light, but it feels so far. Still I hold on, even when it's hard. Yeah, I'm crying in the dark. Used to think that time would heal everything I feel, but some wounds stay open no matter how they seal. Friends disappear, promises turn to dust. Learn the hard way that not everyone deserves trust. Walking through the storm with a heart full of regret, trying to forget things I can't forget. Every late night thought feels heavier than before, like the pain found a way to settle in my core. I gave people chances when they gave me none, kept showing up for battles that I'd already lost and won. Now I'm staring at the mirror asking who I've become, a soul full of memories trying to overcome. And I don't know where to run when the darkness comes undone. All these thoughts I can't ignore, knocking on my broken door. I'm crying in the dark when nobody can see, trying to hide the hurt that's living inside me. The tears keep falling down like rain from the sky, asking God for answers, wondering why. I'm crying in the dark, fighting every scar, searching for a light, but it feels so far. Still I hold on, even when it's hard. Yeah, I'm crying in the dark. Maybe tomorrow brings a little sunlight. Maybe these wounds won't hurt so much tonight. Maybe this pain is teaching me to grow, even when I'm breaking and I feel so low. I'm crying in the dark, but I'm still standing here, facing all the shadows, facing every fear. The night may be long, but the dawn will start, and I'll keep moving forward with this wounded heart. I'm crying in the dark, but I won't fall apart. There's still a little hope beating in my heart, and even through the pain, I'll leave my mark. No longer just crying in the dark. Yeah, no longer hiding from the scars, no longer alone in the dark.